Specs. Description: spark plug cap, Honda code 3526837. Replaces OEM numbers: Honda 30700, Z1000, 30700, Z1013, 30700, Z1015. Compatible with Honda GX120, GX160, GX200, GX240, GX270, GX340 and GX390. Stens' 1-year warranty ensures reliability and performance for every part. We're confident that our products will work flawlessly, but in a rare case that it does not, we'll replace it anytime within 1 year of your order. Stens branded parts are trusted by professional dealers to perform OEM quality repairs. The Stens name is featured on all Genuine Stens product packaging. Top reviews from the United States. Solved my stalling problem. Saw a YouTube video how this spark plug cap solved a stalling issue when a Honda GX engine was warm. So I removed the cap, which screws off from the coil wire, and checked the resistance on the cap. It was about twice what it should have been. I ordered a new cap and my log splitter has been running great ever since.